Welcome to the PharmaLinkage platform, your gateway to showcasing your manufacturing excellence to a global pharmaceutical audience. In this video we'll walk you through how to effectively present your manufacturing facilities on our platform. Access your manufacturing facilities list. Once you're logged into your PharmaLinkage platform account, navigate to the My Manufacturing Facility menu. If you are logged in for the first time and click on the My Manufacturing Facility menu, it will ask for a consent pop-up to communicate consent and data storing consent approval. Once you agree on the consent, you will see the list of manufacturing facilities if you have already added, along with Add Facility button. By clicking on the Add Facility button to start the process of adding your manufacturing facility details. You can also upload the facility presentation file. We have a separate video to add more details on facility types like API, formulation, or CDMO information. After adding the facility, you will see the list of all the manufacturing facilities added by you, with options like Search Facility, View Facility, Edit Facility and Delete Facility. Thank you for using the PharmaLinkage platform to showcase your manufacturing facilities. Your profile will help attract partners and opportunities worldwide.